Welcome back to our journey. Now we are on option C, imaging. Question 12. Okay, look at the question. Okay, in one arrangement, an image that is half the height, okay, of a real object is produced by a lens of focal length f. Diminished image can be real or virtual. So look at what's that about. Okay, deduce by calculation in terms of f the position of the object when a converging lens is used. Remember, if it is virtual image, converging lens must be magnified, right? Magnifying glass. So how about this one? Okay, so it must be a real image. So it gives you an idea of real image. So you have the equation. Okay, 1 over u plus 1 over e v equals 1 over f. Everyone knows this equation, right? Sorry. And then we have to substitute the thing. So it talks about the position of the object. It means that you look for the u. So express v in terms of u, okay? V in terms of u, and said that image size and the image distance are proportional. So the image is half. So v is also half of the u. The last step, when you substitute all these things inside, remember, do you have any negative side add on? All these UV should be a negative, right? But here, the sign matters. Convergent lens plus view image plus view object plus all plus. So very straightforward. So 1 over u plus 1 over u over 2 equals 1 over f. So flip it up. Okay, so 1 over u plus 2 over u equals 1 over f. Okay, so v over u equals 1 over f. Okay, so u equals vf. V times the focal length. So this is the crucial point, and also the answer. And then draw a Venn diagram to show the arrangement described in A1. So just one thing, u equals v. This is a little bit sad because it is a carry-on problem. Okay, if you got the u wrong, probably you can't get all the 2 marks if you just kept 1. So remember this thing. Okay, put it aside. Okay, u equals vf. Crucial. So the diagram is here. So it is flexible. Okay, but you remember it is a diminished image. So when you draw the object out, draw it bigger. So it is at vf. So here vf, right? So maybe you draw it as 2 block heights. Okay, so expect that you will find out an image of half of it. Okay, at the half of it position. So you know where it should be here. You have an aim. The image should be here. So you just draw it out. Okay, passing through optical center, low banding, make it larger. Good. And then parallel to the principal axis, pass through F. You make it. Yeah. Remember, use the ruler. And then you got the image. Okay, here on the point of intersection. Of course, what is missing? Yes, the arrow for the light switch. So you draw it. When it passes through, you draw it again, too, even for the one passing through the optical center. And one more thing, really one more thing. So you can you needed to write down which one is the object and which one is the image, maybe to show mark clearly it is a VF. And you got the 2 marks again. Well done.